Today is the 1st of August in Spain. There was a major hail of the size of a golf ball. The video of a natural phenomenon hit the web, surprising internet users. Fortunately, none of the people were hurt. A major hail fell in the Spanish region of Ciudad Real, which is located in the autonomous region of Castile La Mancha. There were no casualties. People received a storm warning in time and managed to hide in their homes. The orange hazard level has been declared throughout the Asturias and Castile La Mancha region. The authorities managed to warn their citizens in time, so there were no human casualties. Significant damage was inflicted only on car owners. Not everyone managed to drive their cars to a safe place, and therefore those cars that were left on the street now boast dents on the roofs and hoods. Despite the fact that the worst thing is hail, which can easily injure a person, is already behind, the district is pouring rain.